Your car already has a screen powerful enough to do more, yet most of the time, it's barely being used. The AutoCast Mirror Touch unlocks that hidden potential with a single effortless connection, turning your dashboard into something that actually keeps up with your day. What makes it different isn't loud features, it's how seamless everything feels. Wireless mirroring, smart device memory, fast charging, all running in the background while you just drive. One simple plug-in, and your car starts behaving like it finally caught up to the rest of your life. First impressions and build quality. Opening the Mirror Touch box, the first thing you notice is the size. It's compact, sleek, and modern. Small enough to almost disappear into your USB port, yet solid enough to feel premium in your hand. The metallic finish has subtle grooves that add grip and elegance, while the smooth edges make it easy to insert and remove without fumbling. Unboxing is minimal. There's no thick manual, no extra cables, just the adapter itself. The plug-and-play design means you're ready to go in seconds. What stands out most is how intentional the design feels. It's made to integrate seamlessly into your car, not dominate it. The ergonomics matter. A small, stable device that doesn't wobble on bumpy roads makes daily driving worry-free. It's clear from the first touch that this isn't a novelty. It's built for real-world use, whether for a quick commute or a long road trip. Key features and unique selling points. The Mirror Touch isn't just a wireless adapter, it's a bi-directional mirroring system, just meaning your iOS or Android device can display directly on your car screen and you can control it from the dash itself. No more squinting at a tiny phone screen or struggling with wires. Here's where it gets interesting. Imagine using your iPhone 16 Pro or Samsung S25 while keeping your hands on the wheel. Turn-by-turn directions, calls, messages, even apps. You can control it all safely from the dash. And for passengers, they can mirror games, Netflix, or YouTube, turning long trips into a shared entertainment experience. The dual-mode wireless CarPlay and Android Auto feature is another game changer. Forget tangled cables or ports that wear out. Mirror Touch connects instantly every time you get in the car, and if you have multiple phones, work and personal, it remembers them both. Step in, and within seconds, both devices are online. Want fast charging is a subtle but important feature. With 27-watt power delivery, your phone stays charged during long drives, meaning you never run out of battery while streaming or navigating. And here's a detail that really surprised us. The device maintains smooth, responsive performance even when the dash is handling multiple mirrored apps simultaneously. Finally, privacy and control are built in. Disconnecting Mirror Touch erases your data instantly, perfect for rental cars or shared vehicles. And the broad compatibility covers nearly every major iOS and Android device, so your latest phone will work seamlessly. Compared to standard adapters that only provide CarPlay, Mirror Touch elevates the car screen into a multifunctional hub, combining connectivity, entertainment, and safety in one tiny package. Usability and everyday experience. Using Mirror Touch day-to-day feels effortless. Plug it in once, and every time you start the car, your phone connects automatically. No cables to untangle, no apps to configure. Music starts, navigation is ready, calls are hands-free. For commuters, that means a smoother morning drive. A coffee run or traffic jam doesn't feel wasted because your phone is instantly accessible and your dashboard remains clean. For parents, the dash is tidy while passengers enjoy the media without disruption. Road trippers and outdoor enthusiasts will notice a different kind of convenience. Stopping at a scenic overlook or trailhead, you can mirror a map, stream a movie, or keep your devices charged, all without digging through wires. And the device stays cool throughout the journey, giving peace of mind without overheating. Even small touches matter. Switching between wireless CarPlay and phone mirroring is seamless, letting you adapt to work, entertainment, or family fun instantly. It's unobtrusive, quiet, and smart. Exactly the kind of tech that feels like it was meant to be part of your car all along. Real-world use cases and why they matter. Picture a family on a weekend trip. Kids can watch Netflix or play games while the driver follows navigation safely. Or a professional commuting between meetings, seamlessly toggling between work and personal phones without touching cables. For car lovers, Mirror Touch keeps the dash clean while upgrading functionality. For travelers, it's about effortless entertainment, clear navigation, and fully charged devices. Every ride, whether daily commute or long adventure, becomes smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. Think of the AutoCast Mirror Touch as the missing link between you and your car's potential. Small in size, big in impact, it transforms your dashboard into a responsive smart hub, keeping devices charged, apps ready, and your drives effortless. Right now is the perfect time to make the upgrade. With limited stock and special savings available, this is your chance to bring true wireless CarPlay and seamless bi-directional mirroring into your everyday drive. Don't wait. Your dashboard is ready for an upgrade, are you?